Are you living the life you want, or just going through the routine that others expect? Every day, you wake up, do the same things, think the same thoughts, scroll social media, laugh at a funny video, then sigh because nothing changes. You may say this is okay, but deep inside, you feel like you're missing out. A part of you is asleep, buried under dust of delay, fear, and laziness. I know you want more, a meaningful job, better income, freedom, and a life you can be proud of. But you ask yourself, how? Then, like many others, you fall back into the loop of waiting, scrolling, living halfway, waiting for a miracle. Let me tell you, miracles don't happen by themselves. You must make them. Your journey to a new life doesn't start with a big push. It starts with a small decision, that you refuse to live in half measure, that you are ready to live on your own terms. If you're reading this now, it's not by chance. This is your wake-up call. Welcome to Richness Journey, where each day is a step closer to the life you once thought was impossible. 1. Hard truth. Your life won't change if you don't change yourself. Let's be honest, deep inside you already know this. Life doesn't change just because we wish it would. It changes when you do. The world is not waiting for you to be lucky or for someone to give you a chance. You must create that chance. Every day you're making choices to stay the same or to grow. You don't need to have all the answers right now, but you do need to say yes to yourself, to stop repeating the same cycle and start building something different. You're stronger than you think. You've been through hard things before. This time, face it not with fear, but with fire. Your future self is counting on you. 2. The sweet trap called excuses. Excuses are comfortable. They make you feel safe, like you're off the hook. But the truth is, excuses steal your power. They whisper that you're not ready, not smart enough, too tired, too late, and you believe them because it's easier than doing the hard work. But guess what? No one starts perfectly. Everyone has fear. Everyone has doubts. The difference is winners act anyway. They don't wait to feel ready. They move, even with shaking hands. Excuses feel like protection, but they're actually cages. And every time you say, I can't, you build another bar around your potential. It's time to stop letting fear speak for you. Start saying, I'll try, I'll learn, I'll grow. You don't need perfect, you need progress. 3. Your parents worked hard. What about you? Close your eyes and think of your parents. Think of the tired hands, the quiet sacrifices. Think of all the moments they gave something up, just so you could have more. They didn't work this hard for you to settle. They didn't dream of your future, so you could sleep it away. Their greatest hope is your success, not just financially, but in becoming someone who lives with purpose. What will you give back? Not just with money, but with love, gratitude, and effort. Make their sacrifices worth it. Let them see that the seed they planted grew into something powerful and beautiful. Success isn't just about you. It's about those who believed in you before you believed in yourself. For the power of habits. Your habits are like tiny bricks. Every single one builds the structure of your future. One Netflix episode isn't a big deal until it turns into a 3-hour binge every night. One skipped workout doesn't matter until you stop moving for months. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your habits. The life you dream of won't come from motivation alone. It will come from daily choices, repeated over and over. Start small. Wake up 20 minutes earlier. Learn one new word a day. Replace 30 minutes of scrolling with a podcast or a journal. These don't seem big, but together they change everything. Your future is hidden in your routine. Design it with care. 5. Failure is not the end. We're so afraid of failing that we never even start. But what if failure isn't a wall? What if it's a stepping stone? Think about it. Every time you try and don't succeed, you learn. You grow. You get stronger. Look at the people you admire. Did they have a smooth path? No. They failed, stumbled, cried, and got back up. That's how success is made. Failure only hurts if you stop. If you keep going, it becomes part of your story, the part where you became unshakable. Let failure be your fuel. Let it teach you, shape you, and show you how much you're capable of. You're not here to avoid falling. You're here to rise every time you do. 6. Critical thinking. Don't believe every thought. Your mind is powerful, but not everything it tells you is true. We all have an inner voice that says, "You're not good enough. What if you fail?" But that voice isn't your truth. It's your fear. You don't have to believe every thought. Start asking, is this thought helpful? Where did I learn this? What would happen if I didn't believe this? Train your brain to look for solutions, not problems. To find hope, not doubt. The more you do it, the clearer your thinking becomes, and the more confidence you'll feel. You're not your thoughts. You're the one who chooses which thoughts to believe. 7. Environment creates humans. You become like the people around you. If your circle complains, gives up easily, and laughs at dreams, soon you will too. But if your circle reads, tries new things, speaks kindly, and moves with purpose, so will you. Energy is contagious. Be honest. Do your friends help you grow or pull you back? Do they make you feel brave or small? If the answer hurts, it's time to make a change. You don't need to cut everyone out, but you do need to protect your space. Surround yourself with voices that make you believe in yourself. Your tribe shapes your rise. Choose wisely. 8. Act even if not perfect. Perfection is a trap. It tells you not to start until everything is just right. But the truth is, nothing will ever be perfect. And while you wait, time passes. Dreams fade. Life moves on. Success doesn't come to the best planner. It comes to the one who moves first, who says, "I'll start with what I have where I am." Don't wait for courage. It comes after the first step, not before. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to begin. Messy action is better than perfect delay. Every step forward teaches you something. Let action be your teacher. 9. Positive self-talk. Reprogram yourself. If you spoke to a friend the way you speak to yourself, would they feel strong or broken? Your inner voice shapes how you walk through the world. Feed it with kindness. Say it out loud. I'm trying. I'm learning. I'm not there yet, but I'm getting better. These are powerful words. Not magic, but mindset. And mindset changes everything. Write your affirmations. Repeat them daily. Tape them to your mirror. Keep them in your phone. Make them a part of how you live. Because if you don't believe in yourself, how can you expect the world to? You read this far, meaning you are not average. Not many can sit and read 4,000 words to listen to a voice saying, "You can live better." Now it's time. Stop just reading, start acting. I don't offer fake promises. I won't say you'll be rich in 3 months. But here's my promise. If you commit to growth every day, your life will never be the same. Richness Journey is more than a channel. It's a movement, a community, a pathway for young people who know what they want, for those who don't accept mediocrity, for those who dare to live fully. On this channel, you will find Wake Up podcasts to shake your sleep, real-life stories of people rising from zero, strategies to grow mind and character, a community of doers, not dreamers. If you are serious about your life, don't go alone. Come with us. Backhand index pointing right. Subscribe to Richness Journey today. Backhand index pointing right. Turn on notifications to get daily action power. Backhand index pointing right. Share this with someone you care about, because the best journeys need company. Life doesn't wait for you to be ready. It just waits for you to begin. Richness Journey. Awaken courage. Unleash potential. Build a meaningful life together.